Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alala and I'm very happy for making this video for you. Today I'm going to show you how we can make tropical leaves in less than 10 minutes. These leaves are useful for postcard, background or your channel art on YouTube. And making them is very easy, quick and joyful. So let's get us started. At first, we need to search on Google to find some picture of leaves. So I'm going to search something like tropical leaves photography. As you see, there is so many options and you can pick which photo you want. It's based on your taste completely and pick anything that you want. And then I'm going to save them in my computer and will open them in Photoshop. So I'm open a new project and pick a size. Because I want to make a postcard, I choose 15 in 15 cm with 300 resolution and click on create button. So here is my paper. I click new layer in layer option on right side. And then I'm open some of my favorite leaves pictures that I found them on internet. So I'm just picking them. I think 6 is enough, so I choose 6 pictures for today. Now I need to bring this picture into my project. So I select M bottom on keyboard and copy it with Ctrl C shortcut and paste it with Ctrl V shortcut key on my project. So I'm click on pen tool in toolbar or shortcut key is P on your keyboard. Pick an orange color or any color that you want and it's opposite of green. And then I start working with pen tool to make my leaf as a shape. So about pen tool, if you don't know, I should say when you start with click, you will continue to click on each edge of your shape, and if you want to complete your shape, you need to click on the first spot that you ever start. Now I'm adding some extra spot and playing with all the edge to make my leaf more real and more look like to the picture under it. So about pen tool, if it's your first time that using it, there is some useful tip for you. Tip number 1. If you want to change the place of each point, you should press the Ctrl button and same time click and drag the point to other side that you want to be, and the point place will change easily. Tip number 2. If you want to change the shape a bit and make the lines curvy, you need to press on Alt key and same time click and drag on the points that you need to change it. Tip number 3. With one single click on each line, you're gonna make another point. It's easy like that. Tip number 4. With one single click on each point, you're gonna lose them. So again, if you need to make them curvy or change their place, use Alt or Ctrl key with them. So here I complete my leaf shape with pen tool, and as you see I try to make it exactly like the leaf in the picture. I change the color of the leaf into green and one leaf is ready. And for another leaves I'm showing it in fast speed version to save more time. Now, as you see, I made 4 different leaves that I think it's enough because I love keep it simple. And the next step is adding some texture on my leaves. What we need at this time is kind of inky or watercolor texture. So there is an option such as searching in Google and find some watercolor textures, or you can also make a good texture with real paper and ink by yourself. Take photo or scan it and open it into your Photoshop. Here I made a texture before and you can see the photos. Actually, I love to use my own product because it feels better and make my art more special. I'm cutting the extra frame around my texture and then I go to image adjustment, selective color. I choose neutral key and start playing with 3 options of magenta, cyan and yellow, and playing with them until reach the shade of color that I really want. Now press the keys on your keyboard, then put your mouse on any side of texture, press Alt and click once. After that we will back to our leaf page and choose one of the leaves. When you click on the shape with a thumb pen, the Photoshop will ask you permission to rasterize your shape and you should click OK. Then try to color the shape with thumb pen that already has a texture with itself. You can back again on layer texture and doing different part of pattern again, or you can mix few part of pattern together. It's all about your taste and creativity. For coloring the other leaves, you can go again in layer texture and change the whole color in selective color panel and natural texture part. As you pass it already, it's like before, just playing with cyan, magenta and yellow part and change the color and reach the greatest color that you need. Then here is our 4 leaves ready for final step. The final step is all about composition. That means I draw a big pink circle with U, K on top of the leaves layer and put it exactly on middle of my page, and then I start to put the leaves around, resize them, reverse or turning them until reaching the shape and a frame that I have in my mind. Again, here just trust on your creativity and make your own frame as you wish. As you see, for many times I change the leaves color by a stamp pen, and you feel free to change the colors too. At the end, I'm adding a bit of shadow under my pink circle to make my frame fresh. You can add shadow to go to layer panel, choose drop shadow in FX bottom and play with distance, spread and size until you reach your favorite shadow. I'm removing some leaves because they were too much and adding a watercolor texture on my pink circle. Again, with selective color you can change the shade of the color. And finally, write something on your frame. Okay, our job is finished. And if you are still here, thank you very much for watching my video. I hope I didn't make you tired and at least gave you some ideas or inspirations. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I would be super happy if you subscribe me to see more video here. Love you all and see you soon.